Tablets are kind of magical, right? But have you ever wondered what's actually inside? Let's find out.
We're going to break one down piece by piece to see what really makes it all work.
Here it is, all laid out. We'll start with the part you touch and go right to the very core.
That top layer you're always touching, it's super strong glass, made to resist scratches and drops.
Right underneath that, there's the digitizer. Think of it as a grid that feels exactly where you tap. This is how pinch to zoom works. It can sense multiple fingers at once. Pretty cool, right? Next up, the beautiful OLED display. It has over 4 million pixels, each showing over 1 billion colors. And what's wild is that when a pixel is black, it's actually turned completely off. That's why blacks look so deep. A slim metal frame holds it all together. It stops it from bending and helps dissipate heat. Now, let's get to the brains of the operation. This is the main logic board, the central hub. On that board sits the processor. It's got an AI engine for things like face recognition too. Okay, let's talk memory. You've got fast RAM for running apps and permanent storage for your files. With 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can have a ton of apps open at once, and everything stays smooth. And with 256 gigs of storage, you can save like tens of thousands of your favorite photos. The camera isn't just for taking pictures. It also handles video calls and even augmented reality. And here's the biggest part inside, the battery. This is what powers the whole show, all day long. It's got enough juice to give you 10 to 14 hours of use on a single charge. A tiny chip gets you on Wi-Fi, while 2 speakers on each side create that awesome stereo sound. So there you have it. From the glass to the battery, every single component has its job to do. All these parts work together perfectly. It kind of makes you wonder, what's going to be inside the next one?